Amy owned a small bakery. It was in her town. She had a lease for her bakery space. The lease was for 5 years. The lease had a clause about rent. It said the rent could go up 20% each year. This clause would have a big impact on Amy's business. Amy's town had a rent control law. This law helped businesses. It limited rent increases to 5% per year. The landlord wanted to raise the rent by 20%. He said the lease allowed it. Amy disagreed. She knew about the rent control law. Amy went to court. The judge looked at her lease. He also looked at the rent control law. The judge made a decision. He said the lease clause was not valid. The judge said the rent increase was limited to 5%. He based his decision on Section 23 of the Indian Contract Act. This law states that agreements violating existing laws are not enforceable. Amy's story is important. It tells us to know our rights. We must make sure our leases follow the law. This helps us avoid problems. Read your lease carefully. If something seems wrong, ask for help. There are organizations that can help. They can explain your rights as a tenant. Don't be afraid to fight for what is right.